and this is a rare opportunity for our buyers out there. This is a completely renovated home that we acquired last year, and we have almost completely renovated inside, behind the walls, in the floor, this entire house. The great thing about this house is it's 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It's got a great kitchen here where you can put a table and you're not going to be in the way of your appliances. We have a brand new gas range and a refrigerator, all new cabinets, new countertops.
Oh, is that a grill in the middle?
That's a grill in the middle.
I love that. Wow. Very cool.
We have a deep stainless steel sink with this faucet that everybody likes that you'll see in a lot of our newer homes. But we really spared no expense. Starting with this house, you'll notice that the floor is all laminate floor in the main part of the house. What we did with this house is we re-insulated underneath the house. We put down a whole new floor decking, and then we put this laminate floor down, which is absolutely gorgeous. When we redid the insulation under the house, we replaced all the water lines, hot and cold water lines. We redid all the sewer lines, so everything underneath is new.
We painted, put new windows, put new cabinets, countertop. Wow, I guess I have some before and after pictures I can add that will shock people. That's even a new front door.
Yep, front door we did. We replaced some of the windows in here that were in bad shape.
So this is the living room?
Repainted all the walls. We put all new base molding down after we had put in the laminate floor. The floor is just solid as can be. We replaced the ductwork. These vents have all been replaced. New outlets, everything.
Very nice. All right, let's continue down to the bedrooms.
As you come down the hallway here, this is your first bedroom, which has a large window in it. We did the bedrooms in this carpet. One thing you notice in this house is every wall has an outlet.
Oh, wow.
A lot of the older homes didn't have that. Now, the original design of this house, the closet went all the way across here, which kind of made this bedroom pretty small. So we put a nice sized closet right here. A nice deep closet. It's got a, you could easily put some type of closet organizer in there. It's got a hole there to hang your clothes. We replaced the doors also. If you notice, these are all new 6-panel white doors. We replaced those.
Very elegant.
New light fixtures. And then coming down the hallway, we replaced the furnace with a brand new propane gas furnace, and we added central air conditioning.
Ooh.
So the furnace and air conditioning alone is about $5,500 to $6,500 just to start with. So that was one thing we did. This area here is for a washer and dryer. We expanded it, made it bigger. We put in new plumbing, new electric for an electric dryer, and a washer.
Great space.
The back door has been replaced.
Okay.
And this bathroom has all been redone. We took everything out of the bathroom. We started with a brand new fiberglass tub. New fixtures. We replaced with a toilet that's the higher level toilets. Put a new vanity in. This vanity matches the cabinets in the kitchen. Lights, mirror. The original vanity was underneath that window, and there was some crazy storage unit over here in this corner, but that's actually where the closet is.
Oh, that's
so
right.
We put a new window in to bring in light and ventilation, and we carried the floor right into this room.
It's got 2 shelves. That's awesome. All right, let's take a look from this side. This bathroom's stunning. Really turned out lovely.
And the bedroom back here is a good sized bedroom. This is probably somewhere around 11 feet across by probably 10 feet.
Mhm.
It's got a double closet, so it's got a lot of space for a closet here.
The extra flooring there,
And that's the extra flooring that was left over and the extra carpet.
and then the hot water heater is here.
The water heater is an electric water heater, 30-gallon water heater that's behind that compartment.
And the doors to the closet are new.
Closet doors, so all the interior doors match. They all have that 6-panel,
Very nice.
even the front and the rear doors. The roof has been recoated with a roof coat. As I mentioned, we replaced all the water and sewer lines underneath. We're going to be putting in a new patio, new sidewalk in the front. So the whole yard's going to be redone. It's all going to be skirted. So the outside, we still needed some work. We repainted the exterior. We had a professional painter come in to repaint the interior and the exterior. And he used 2 coats of paint on the outside, so it should last for a good 5 to 7 years before you'd have to repaint.
So let's go in the kitchen and give people how to apply and be the first to, what do I say? Join us here in my home in Carteret. So we're in Carteret Mobile Park. It's a land lease community in Middlesex County, New Jersey. That's Carteret, New Jersey, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue in Carteret, New Jersey. You first start at the website, myhomeincarteret.com. Any parting words?
It's not going to last long because this house is a great size. It's all been redone. Nothing for you to worry about. The appliances have a year warranty on the stove and the refrigerator. The furnace and the air conditioner have a year warranty. Cabinets are new, floors new. Give us a call.
No, go to the website. Since COVID, we have everybody go right to the website.
Yep.
All right, thank you everybody, and go to the website, myhomeincarteret.com. Thank you, Mr. Dolan.
Bye.